Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C51 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's start with the most important thing, the internet connection. I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi or mobile data. It does not really matter. It is crucial because thanks to this your device will be allowed to check the updates. So let's enter the settings. Then we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on the system. And as you can see here, we've got the software update. Whenever you will have anything to download, you will see this kind of notification that you've got something to update. So let's tap on it. And basically we will have two different scenarios. So the first one is when you're up to date. So your device will show you proper information, will show you also the software you've got currently applied, and that you're up to date, there's nothing to download. And here we've got the second scenario, that the new version is available, in my case Android 13. Here we've got also the recommendations, we've got the note, we've got the information, what this new update include, so you can of course learn about that, and whenever you want to download it, simply tap on download now. And basically this is it. Your device will download the update and after that it will be applied to the system. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.